I believe you've got a project that you've been working on, and I wanted to talk to you about that. And I also want to talk to you about, like, I've got a whole bunch of alpha adapters here because people always ask me this question. And seeing that Wi-Fi is one of your favorite topics, I wanted to, get your input about Wi-Fi specifically, but also microcontrollers. So can you tell us about this? Is it the Wi-Fi nugget that you've created?
Yeah. So great, excellent question. So the Wi-Fi nugget is kind of the culmination of my two fascinations, which is Wi-Fi hacking and microcontrollers. Wi-Fi hacking has always been interesting to me because Wi-Fi is so universal. And I didn't realize until I started learning more about it that it's actually super fragmented. Like Wi-Fi is more of a suggestion than it is a standard in some cases. And in order to call something Wi-Fi, manufacturers can still have a lot of flexibility in terms of what things they do or don't implement or the way they implement them. So the actual variation in different devices and how devices use Wi-Fi or are vulnerable to different Wi-Fi attacks has been super, super cool because it's, again, something that applies to so many different devices and it's relatively easy to learn. You need a little bit of a background in networking in order to understand some of the more complicated interactions that are going on. But even with, I failed one class in routing and switching, and I learned enough to do some pretty serious Wi-Fi hacking. And I also found that it's incredibly cheap to do this. I took an electronics class in community college and I really enjoyed it. But the one limitation was, doing things just with hardware that doesn't interact with other systems. As a hacker, didn't really interest me that much, honestly. It was these kind of low cost Wi-Fi enabled microcontrollers that had the ability to do very basic and primitive stuff with Wi-Fi that it's kind of tricky to do with an integrated wireless card. For something that costs $1.80 on AliExpress, it's pretty cool that you can do things like writing arbitrary packets or taking advantage of some of these really nuanced things you can do with beacon frames in order to trick devices around you into behaving strangely.
The device you're referring to, is it an ESP32, is that right?
So specifically at the $1.80 price point, this is the Wemos D1 Mini, which is based on the ESP8266, but it's an integrated module that has everything you need to plug it into a computer and then just start working with it to send packets totally arbitrarily. So that could be deauthentication packets or, some new Wi-Fi attack that comes up tomorrow. You could write packets arbitrarily, just kind of like a wireless network adapter with this, but it does have some limitations in terms of the way it receives packets. So it clips them. So you can never do something like a handshake attack where you're trying to grab a Wi-Fi handshake because it would only be able to grab basically the packet metadata and not really much beyond that, just due to limitations with how much power the chip has.
And then you've got Wi-Fi adapters from Alpha. Alpha don't sponsor me to say this. I just like this.
They're my favorite as well. Frankly, we've worked with a lot of people, and Alpha have always sent us the most stuff. And it's also excellent.
They have sent me some stuff. A lot of stuff I bought myself, but they have sent me some adapters. So let's start with that, Kody. Which is your favorite adapter? I've got a whole bunch here. In preparation, I just got a whole bunch. I was thinking, I don't know which one you're going to choose. But I want to find out about the Wi-Fi nugget because you've got that controller the microcontroller that you've mentioned that's $1.50 or $1.80, I think you said. And then you've got the Wi-Fi nugget, and then you've got this kind of stuff. So do you have any favorites?
Oh yeah. I've got some serious opinions about the Alpha products. So I've tested lots of different Alpha products, and most of them, again, are excellent. But if you don't like compromise, and if you're not feeling subtle, and if you also have the double threat that somebody might, break into your home and you would need to beat them to death with your wireless network adapter, the Tube U is by far my favorite product that Alpha has ever created. It is designed for, I think, boats or buildings or really long distances. It looks like the bottom of a lightsaber. And one of the available antennas is just this huge, super long omnidirectional antenna that's 4 or 5 feet long that is just ridiculous and does in fact look like a lightsaber, but it also has the parabolic grid. So the parabolic grid is obviously huge. It ships in folded onto one thing, but you can break it out and then add the thing, and it's twice as big as they would be able to actually ship. It's incredibly large, but it gets amazing distance. We clocked it at 5 miles one time for receiving packets that had a known location with a Wi-Fi. So if you're not feeling subtle and you don't want to stick to the traditional choices of do you want the NE or the NA because of the weird way that they name their products, the Tube U is by far the most powerful and ridiculous wireless network adapter that I've used. And you can actually fit it inside a backpack. So, if you don't need to scare people, but you would just have a very long USB cable coming out of your backpack that connects to a huge network adapter.